In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a sheet within a workspace in Smartsheet. We'll walk through a simple method that lets you share a sheet with everyone who has access to a specific workspace, without having to invite people one by one. This is especially helpful if your team is already organized into workspaces and you want to keep everything in one central place. First, look over to the left side of your Smartsheet screen and open the Browse panel. This is the panel with the folder icon. If it's collapsed, just click the icon to expand it. The Browse panel shows all of your workspaces, folders, and individual sheets, and it's where you'll be doing the move. Next, in that same left sidebar, locate the sheet you want to share. You might see it under Sheets, inside a folder, or even in another workspace. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct sheet, especially if you have similarly named files. It's always a good idea to double-check the name before you move anything. Once you've found the sheet, click and hold on it, then drag it into the workspace where you want to share it. As you drag, you should see the different workspaces and folders highlight, so move your cursor over the specific workspace folder you want, and then release the mouse button to drop it there. This drag and drop action is what actually adds the sheet to that workspace. After you drop the sheet, Smartsheet may prompt you to confirm the move. Go ahead and confirm. When you do this, the sheet becomes part of that workspace, and anyone who already has access to that workspace will automatically gain access to the sheet. You don't need to send individual invitations for that specific sheet anymore, which can save a lot of time for larger teams. If you realize that someone still doesn't have access, or you want to give new team members access to everything in that workspace, you can update the workspace sharing settings. Click on the workspace name in the left panel to open it. Then look to the top right of the screen and select the Share button. From there, you can add new members to the entire workspace, choose their permission level, and they'll automatically get access to the sheet you just moved, along with the rest of the workspace items. And that's all you need to share a sheet within a workspace in Smartsheet.